Yes, start. Thus, we hereby direct the concerned respondent authorities that over and above the aforesaid measures as noted in paragraphs 7 and 9 of the additional affidavit of ICMR reproduced herein above as an alternative wherever it is not possible to secure the patient's contact details, identity of the concerned police officer having jurisdiction upon the concerned area shall also be allowed to be submitted. Para. Mr. Chetan Sharma, learned ASG, assures us that the aforesaid provisions will be widely disseminated amongst all concerned expeditiously. Stop. With these observations, we see no reason to further monitor this as stop. This petition is accordingly disposed of. Stop. This appeal has been preferred by the appellant original petitioner challenging an interim order dated 7th July 2020 passed by the learned single judge in WP number 3944 para. The learned single judge, in view of the rules of admission prescribed by respondent number 2, Director General Armed Forces Medical Services, especially Rule 20 within bracket F, thereof declined to grant interim relief. Stop. The learned single judge was of the view that the admissions brochure clearly states that a candidate who is already pursuing any PG course shall not be eligible for admission to PG course in medical colleges run by respondent number 2 within bracket DG. Stop. Para. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties and looking to the facts and circumstances of the case and the impugned order dated 7th July 2020, which was shown to us on screen by the counsel for the appellant original petitioner and also looking to the information bulletin postgraduate courses in AFMS institutions through NEET 2020, we see no reason to entertain this LPA for the following reasons. Stop. Para. The appellant has secured All India rank in NEET PG examination 2020 as 13122 and secured 678 marks out of 1200. Stop. The appellant has already applied and got admission on the basis of All India ranking for PG courses at Guwahati Medical College, Guwahati. Stop. After securing admission in PG medical course in Guwahati Medical College on 26th June 2020, now the applicant is in search of admission in PG medical course in Armed Forces Medical Colleges managed by respondent number 2 within bracket DG. Stop. We have perused the information bulletin at annexure P8 to this appeal. Stop. Rules 20 within bracket F and 21 within bracket F of the admission rules read as under stanza. Much has been argued out by the counsel for the appellant to the effect that by securing admission in Guwahati Medical College before the prescribed last date, there cannot be a forfeiture of his right to get admission in Armed Forces Medical Colleges for which the counselling was delayed. Stop. We are not inclined to accept this contention. Stop. It ought to be kept in mind that a candidate cannot get admission in violation of admission process. Stop. The information bulletin for admission in a postgraduate course in medical colleges managed by respondent number 2 is explicitly clear and unambiguous and does not require any interpretation. Stop. The appellant, having already secured admission in PG medical course in Guwahati Medical College, can pursue his post-graduation study in MS within bracket ENT at Guwahati Medical College, stanza. In view of the aforesaid facts and having perused the information bulletin, there is no prima facie case in favor of this appellant. Balance of convenience is also not in favor of this appellant, and no irreparable loss will be caused to this appellant if the interim relief as prayed for is not granted. Stop. As the WP within bracket C number 3944/2020 is pending before learned single judge, we are not going into further details. Stanza. In view of these facts, no error has been committed by the learned single judge while passing the impugned order dated 7th July 2020. Stop.